So this one I could do like maybe 2 or 3 heads. Depend how much your hair, how much full your hair is. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and do my first daughter. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. So it should look like this. It should look like something like that. So it should look like that. So I'm just gonna use my hands, you know what I mean? I'm just gonna use my hands. I'm gonna need a comb and 4 rubber bands, and you're gonna need a plastic bag, trash, like a little tiny plastic bag. So when you buy stuff like from Walmart or something, you can get one of these plastic bags. So my daughter's hair is just brushed and everything. So my older daughter is gonna record it. So right now it's 3:18. Let me see. Let me see. So we're gonna go ahead and cover this. What I like to do, put it in the back, and then give her some space there. And then we're gonna like take the air out. And then we're gonna like over like that, and then we're gonna put a little plastic band, or we could just roll it in inside like that. There you go. We'll see you back in 3 hours. Bye. We're gonna give her a shower right now. Okay, so that's how it should look after 3 hours of waiting. This shampoo right here with the conditioner. It's just daily moisturizing, 24-hour hydration. Little one's hair, you see her curls? They're really cute. I didn't use anything. I just did the treatment mask, and then I just let it air dry itself. And she has like beautiful curls on the bottom. So right now I'm gonna put this on her hair to just leave these curls on. You see how the top, like it's getting all like straight? Because if I put this oil, it's going to keep all the curls just bouncy and nice and shiny. And then for the older one, she has less curls. So what I'm going to do is I could either put this, keep her curls like that, and I could like braid it, do a style on her. Or I could straighten her hair by using this product right here. So yeah guys, if you got organic hair treatment. It's actually a hair treatment. It's really good. It restores your hair. And it has a lot of it promotes fullness, conditioning, and moisturize hair even. So if I just want to leave her curls like that shine. So if you guys have any question regarding the product, let me know. If you guys have a question regarding anything, if you guys want me to do more of these kind of video, how I take care of my kids' hair. This is just my way of taking care of my kids' hair. And I try different things, like organic things that I could find in the fridge. So that way I don't have to worry about like chemicals and all that other stuff. I make my own masks, hair masks, face masks, anything you could imagine. I try to make it myself. So yeah guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.